08 left, Romeo Lima 51 left, ETA 44 minutes.
Ground hello, easy 185 Bravo, stand 554, QNH 1019, we're ready.
785 Bravo, ground after 2737, 554, push start approved.
After the 2737, push and start approved, easy 185 Bravo.
Subject 76 Yankee request taxi. The 76 Yankee right turn, NEC via Lima, Pampa hold short Juliet. Right turn Lima, Pampa hold short Juliet, subject 76 Yankee.
Is that bound to Juliet, and please confirm 22.
Sorry, station calling?
The visa bound to is in Juliet, please confirm the gate number 22.
8 stand 22.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hang ground, good afternoon, Griffin 40 OCS 737, free ready request push and start.
Griffin 40 OCS ground stand 37, push start approved.
Start approved, Griffin 40 OCS. Ground hello, A-Line 9 Lima Golf with information, Papa QNH 1019, stand 3 and Bravo 90, request push and start.
A-Line 9 Lima Golf ground stand 3, push start approved.
Push and start approved, stand 3, A-Line 9 Lima Golf.
Ground hello, easy 31 Hotel Vista. If you're noted to ground 08 left Quebec and Quebec Charlie stand 564.
08 left, Quebec Charlie for 564, easy 531 over.
One tank kilo hold Alpha 2, Monmouth Tower 124.230.
Alpha 2 124 230 18 kilo west.
If you want to hear from Whiskey Monmouth delivery 121.955 for improvement. If you want to hear from Whiskey.
Stand by, you want to hear from me?
847 Whiskey taxi Alpha November hold Alpha 3.
Alpha November, Alpha 3, yes, I'm for Whiskey.
Grand, you want to uniform Whiskey or no station?
Roger, thanks. Go back to delivery 121.955 for any improvement.
121.955.